Alright guys, so as you can see the massive difference of quality between the GoPro on your left and the unbranded camera that I had bought from Amazon.in on your right. The details, the vibrancy, everything is completely different, as you can see. So what my suggestion would be to save up and invest in a good camera if you're into motovlogging and adventure sports, rather than going for these cheap cameras. One of the differences that I'll show you in some other video that I put in, I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of how this camera looks, how the footage look when you have mounted these cameras on either your helmet or on your motorcycle and you're riding it. And trust me guys, the difference is as contrasting as it is in this one, if not more. So good luck guys, save up some money, get the GoPro Hero, as I can really vouch for this camera, and this is not a paid advertisement. This is what I personally feel. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.